Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get order chip. First, clearly identify the specific microchip you need, including its model number and any critical specifications like voltage or package type. This ensures you get the correct component for your project. Next, verify its compatibility with your existing setup to avoid any issues. Finally, decide on the exact quantity you require and consider any special packaging needs, such as tape and reel versus individual units. Once you know what you need, the next step is finding a reliable supplier. Start by searching major electronics distributors online. They often have extensive inventories. Compare prices and shipping costs across different vendors to find the best deal. It's also crucial to look for authorized distributors to guarantee you receive genuine parts, preventing potential issues with counterfeit components. This step helps secure your purchase. Now it's time to place your order. Begin by creating an account or logging into your chosen supplier's website. Carefully add the selected microchips to your shopping cart, double-checking the part numbers and quantities. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all your order details, especially the shipping address and payment information, to prevent any errors. Confirming these details ensures a smooth transaction and timely delivery of your components. After placing your order, the final step is receiving and verifying your chips. Use the provided tracking number to monitor your shipment's progress. Upon arrival, carefully inspect the package for any external damage before opening it. Once opened, verify that the received microchips precisely match your order specifications, including part numbers and quantities. This final check ensures you have the correct components ready for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.